channel, and for today's video, as you guys can tell by the title already, I'm going to be recreating Kim K's makeup look, the makeup look that she wore at the Met Gala, just because I was just in love with her makeup and her outfit. Everything, she just looked so beautiful that night. I was just like, oh my god. Yeah, I decided to recreate this look because I just fell in love with the makeup look, and this is what I came up with. And if you guys want to see how to recreate this look, just keep on watching. But also, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe down below if you're not already, so you guys could join the family. And also press that bell button to notify you when I upload new videos on my channel. But let's just get on to this video. Okay, so I do have my eyebrows already done because, you know, my eyebrows do not look like Kim, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows the way I always do them. So that's what I did. And plus, to be honest, I don't know how to do my eyebrows any other way, so I just did it like this. And I know they do not look like Kim's, but it's okay, it's okay. But anyways, we're gonna start off with the eyes first and then move on to our face. That was really bad. But move on to our face afterwards. And sorry if my voice sounds like a little bit bad because I really have a sore throat right now and I don't know why, but yeah. And I'm really loving this hair look because it makes my hair look extra long. I'm just like, damn. You guys can't really tell because like the camera cuts off, but like it's like really long. I was like, damn. So since I already have my eyebrows done, I am going to be priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I am in the shade Light Neutral. Okay guys, we're up close and personal now. I feel so awkward. I feel so awkward when I zoom in the camera this much. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to be getting the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to be grabbing a flat brush to apply the concealer all over my eyelid. So now that we have the eyes already primed with the concealer, I am going to set my eyes a little bit with the Laura Mercier Translucent powder. So I was trying to find a good picture of Kim Kardashian's makeup, but there's like no photo of like a good picture with her eyes, so I'm just gonna try my best and like recreate this look. But I found this picture right here, this one, and you could kind of like see her eyes a little bit more than the other ones because the other one she was like a little bit far away. So that's how her makeup looks. It looks bomb, like so good. So for this eye look, since I don't have the Kim Kardashian's eyeshadow palette, I wish I did so I could do this look, but I don't, sadly. I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette, this one, because this one has like a lot more neutral colors, which I think she was like using on her eyes with black, so yeah. And sorry about this palette, it's pretty beat up already, but it's okay. The first shade I'll be taking is this shade right here. It's called Universal, and I'm going to be taking the Morphe M573 brush. The next shade I'm going to be applying over that, I'm going to be applying this shade right here. It's called Orb, O-R-B, this one right here. And basically, we're going to do the same thing, applying it all over our lid as well. Now, the next shade I'll be taking is this shade right here. It's called Brick. And I'm taking that on a smaller brush. It's like a more denser brush. It's the Morphe M433 brush. And I'm mostly gonna place this in my crease to define it a little bit more. Then I'm going to go back with the same blending brush I had earlier and just blend all those colors together. So just like that. So now I am going to be moving on to the eyeliner, which is like the really big part of this eye look. I don't have gel eyeliner because I don't really like using gel eyeliner. I don't know, it's just like not me. I don't really like it. So I'm going to be using this eyeliner from Tarte and it's called Sex Kitten. Yeah, it's called Sex Kitten. And it looks like this. It's just like a small eyeliner pencil like this, and it has like the tip. So I'm just going to be putting that in my lash line and then blending that out. So I'm just going to be putting this across my lash line. So now I'm just going to get like a flat brush to kind of just like push that up and blend it out. But I'm just grabbing a small angle brush to kind of help me with the wings since this pencil is like a lot rounder, so yeah. Just like that, and then we're just going to fill in the wing. It's just basically doing a wing eyeliner, but you just want to smoke it out and blend it out. So I pretty much just did the other side real quick. And honestly, I do recommend probably like gel eyeliner to do this part because it will be a lot easier to blend out. You see, in my opinion, I just don't like gel eyeliner, so that's why I don't use it. So my eyeliner is looking a little bit harsh right now, so I'm going to get a makeup wipe and kind of just like wipe the edges to make it a little bit sharper. I wish I had nails because with nails it's a lot more easier. You just want to swipe. So now that we're like halfway done with our eyes, I'm going to be moving on to my face. So I'm going to be moving to foundation. The foundation I'm going to be using is the NARS Longwear Radiant Foundation. This is my favorite foundation at the moment. It's so good. And yeah, the shade I'm in is Valencia. But yeah. Okay, but before I do my foundation, I am going to prime my face with the Professional Matte Rescue by Benefit because lately I've been really oily around my nose and like my cheek area. So this helps a lot. So I just like dotting this all over my face, and I am breaking out. I don't know if you guys could tell now. No, I covered it. I am breaking out and it sucks. Okay, so now that we have our foundation down, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape to conceal, and I'm going to make sure to apply like a good amount because Kim has a really highlighted face when it comes to concealer. Well, I don't know, it just looks really good on her. So, yeah. And then I'm going to apply a little bit like under my chin, and then like my cheekbone, so it could like give me like that like snatched effect. Just like that, look a little bit crazy, but we're gonna go ahead and blend that out with the beauty blender. I gotta make sure I snatch this nose as well, you know. Gotta like snatch everything because Kim just looks really like beautiful, honestly. So now I am going to be baking my face. I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So now I'm just going to be using, oh my god, I look really white right now. It's probably because I used a lot of concealer, but we're going to fix that up with a lot of bronzer as well. But now I'm just going to be setting my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder as well. Because Kim's face in the photos, it looks matte, so I want to make sure my face looks matte as well, you know. While that's baking, I'm going to go ahead and bronze my forehead, and the bronzer I'm going to be using today is the Butter Bronzer. And I'm going to be taking the Morphe M530 brush to bronze up my face. I'm just going to put a little bit on my forehead because my forehead is already like dark, so I don't want it to look a lot darker. Now I'm just going to be wiping off the baking with the Morphe M438 brush. Now to bronze my cheekbones because we want these cheekbones to be snatched. Look at my baby hair sticking up. I swear, this is why I can't do hairstyles, because they don't stay down. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe R10 brush. It's a lot more denser brush to contour a little bit more. Now to contour my nose. Try and contour my nose because I really suck at contouring my nose, honestly. So there goes an attempt to kind of contour my nose, and I know it sucks, but oh well. So Kim doesn't really have that much highlight, but honestly I can't do a video without highlight, you know. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of highlight of Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Amazing highlight. Okay, now to finish the eye look, we're gonna move on to the bottom lash line. And Kim's makeup like looks so good, but hers is like really smoked out. I don't know if you guys can see. It's really smoked out at the bottom lash line, so I'm gonna do the same as well. So first, instead of going in straight in with black, I'm gonna be taking a really dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. It's called Brunette. I'm gonna be taking that shade and just gonna be applying that underneath my lash line. And then when I apply this, I'm gonna connect it to the wing as well. So I'm going to be taking that same eyeliner that I was using earlier to, what's it called? And I'm going to be applying this in my waterline at the bottom and top of my waterline. So now I'm going to go in with that same flat brush and go in with a little bit of black eyeshadow underneath my lash line as well. And then kind of just blend that out to smoke it out. Now this is going to be the really hard part, is getting the inner corner of my eyes, because I've tried this before and this has never came out for me. So I'm just going to be using liquid eyeliner for the inner part. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara and my lashes, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and applied my lashes already. Now for the lips. So for her lips, lined, and then she had a light lipstick on top. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. The lip liner I'm going to be using is from NYX. I'm going to be taking this Tarte lipstick. It's like a mini lipstick. I don't know where I got this, but yeah, I'm using this one. Am I Kim K yet? I'm kidding. So I am gonna set my face with the Mara Badescu skincare, the cucumber one. I always set my face with this, and I like it a lot. So. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give this a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, I love if you guys subscribe down below and join the family. But that's it for this video, and I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.